Hi, this is Ben's Machine Shop. That's part 2 of recycling old drawers of an old toolbox which is long past its sell-by date. But before that, I would like to share some tools that I got from flea market and from eBay. Right, just finishing a cup of coffee. Now to start with, these are drills that a mate threw into me, got given to me. He got them, I think it was of a sale of stuff he bought. They were on it, but they're all brand new, wax and all still on them. There's 6 size they're all the same size, seem to 15/16. Yes, all brand new. Which was very nice. Thank you, Bobby. Now, I was in a tool store the other day and I bought myself a 2-foot 24-inch ruler, but at the flea market I come across these were all in the one stall. Now I have quite a few of these, but there's these 2. I don't know whether that was the name of the person. I think I have one with his name on it already. Cunningham. 2 of these. There's a peg leg. Which is very nice, good shape. And a larger, for the price of them, they were hard to resist. £3 for the lot, so these are from eBay. Oh, well wrapped. Anyway, yes. They must have used the best part of a roll of tape. And ant mills, they look to be in pretty decent shape. I know the all the reamers. Reamers. They look to be in pretty decent shape. I'll get a closer inspection, but they yes. I got these off of eBay. There is 2 end mills and 10 reamers. Which very promising. Now this is another purchase from eBay. A lot more wrapping. Oh, looks nice. Box anyway. These things I like to handle with care. Oh yes, The depth, thickness, gauge, yes. Mercer. This instrument is not calibrated, but I would think we could manage to get that done. Yes, I like it. Measuring thickness of steel plate, yes, I like it. It come with this tissue around it. I think we'll keep it around it for the time being. This is not to force it the way it's cut out on that's it. Yep. Now, that is the buys I made. Now we will go and see the job I've done of refurbishing the drawers. Now, this is the two drawers in question. Rather than let them end up in the scrap, I thought I could make use of them, for the toolbox they were in was totally scrap. But rather than just have the drawers and the toolbox directly on them, I thought I would make an extra space for some items that I can use when I'm working the lathe, or I just give it a coat of varnish, and that's now. Here is another item I got given to me. They're all the same size, 11mm, a box of 11mm spanners or drills. Now this is a Morse 4 dead center. And here is my bench block. My clock burner, which I would be using when I'm working the lathe. My depth gauge. I can now put this there's a set of drills never opened. Now these are a good drill. This is the second box of them I've had. The first one, a very good drill, good dependable drill. Some of my center drills. Taper dreamers, small ones. As I showed this, a very useful tool to have, and the case keeps it clean. So the storage is filling up rightly. I've still some more items for it yet. Now the two drawers, nothing in this one yet. Load of micrometers. But dare say we will get something for it. I have done 2 tapes on these toolboxes. The riser box. I have tapes on my website, sorry, 3 tapes, for I've done one on the drawers I have, below my drill. But I think I will find this comes in pretty handy at times. It is easy maneuverable, which makes it very handy, and handy for working on the lathe. I can just turn around and get whatever I need. Right, like Tubal Cain once said in one of his videos, and Keith Fenner, no matter how many drawers or cupboard space you have, you always seem to need more. So I best to make use of whatever comes at hand. And Keith Rocker also has a lot of space that he needs, so I hope someone found this of interest, and this is Ben's Machine Shop. Thanks for watching. Go to my website, Benny Marner. Thank you.